Come to the Sherwood Public Library. This is the library entrance. This is another library entrance. The children's area is this way. This is the children's room. This is where I can play, relax, or read. Here are the books for preschoolers. Here are the books for older kids. Here are the nonfiction books. Here are the movies, video games, and audiobooks. Here is where I can ask a librarian for help. Here is another place where I can ask a librarian for help. Sometimes there are fun events in this room. These are library cards, which help me take books home. This is where I can check out books or other library items. We hope you visit us soon.